Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we are doing a what I eat in a day. If you have seen my Chloe challenge, you know I cleaned up my diet, you know, body goals and all of that. And so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I eat. Quick disclaimers, I am pescatarian. I've been pescatarian for like 3 months and some change. I also don't eat dairy or eggs, but I'm not restricting myself from it. So if there are certain meals or takeout meals that have it, I'm not gonna restrict myself once again. Another disclaimer, I don't eat like this every single day. Like, girl, no, like I have cravings. And so I'm gonna keep it real and 100 with you. Like today's what I'm gonna show you guys, I probably eat like this about 4, maybe 5 days out of the week. So don't be hard on yourself. I hate seeing videos and they're always eating super healthy. I'm just like, girl, what? What? So I just want to put that out there. And yeah, I just finished my workout. Typically I wake up, I work out on an empty stomach just because I'm doing a lot of abs too, and I just feel a lot better when I'm on an empty stomach versus eating. I don't know, but I'm not like fasting, so I drink a lot of water. I try to finish at least one of these before noon, so I have about an hour and some change still to kill this. But I'm about to make a smoothie, and yeah, without further ado, let's just start, you know, because a girl's hungry. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so I just got back a little while ago, like 15 minutes ago, from a walk we had, and so right now we're like pretty hungry. I'm about to start our late lunch because it's like 2:43, and in the meantime I'm gonna show you guys also what I'm snacking on while waiting for my food to be done. These fruit flies are driving me crazy. So you'll see my snack and then you'll see my lunch like shortly right after. So don't forget to drink. I still didn't finish my second bottle. I'm about to right now, and yeah. So we're still waiting for the food. It is now 4:25. I am starving, but I'm just gonna force myself to finish this. I only have a little bit left, then I'm on my third bottle, and I believe 4 of these makes a gallon, so we're halfway there. And because we're not gonna have any like greens with our meal, we're just gonna have this yummy so yummy drink. Like you already know, if you saw my last video, you know how I feel about this, but it's good for you, so we're gonna drink it. Yeah. I just had one of the best naps ever. Yeah, that food knocked me out. But I'm about to work on some more content and do some makeup and stuff. So about to have some fruits real quick. Juicy, exquisite. Do a little ASMR real quick. A little mukbang for y'all. And I do like to have mainly my carbs throughout the day when I'm burning energy, when I'm moving around, being productive and stuff. And then at night, just like, you know, veggies. Hey y'all, so I just finished my content, hence the lifted lashes and crazy makeup right now, but I'm tired. It's midnight literally, and so I'm just gonna make a light salad because I'm still not really that hungry. And so yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what I eat. Please, just like a few.
Yeah, sure.
His looks really good, guys.